Alright, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a Patreon only video. This is just for you guys. This will not go on YouTube, so we can talk about super secret stuff in this video, like the next bike build. But basically the point behind this video was I was getting a lot of messages from you guys asking me where I can get, what parts I put on here, where you can get them and all that kind of stuff. So I figured I'd do like a walk around, talk about the cost of the build, go over some of my favorite parts, where you can get everything, and go from there. First major announcement, which is probably the most important for most of you guys. December 7th, we're going to be right here at Ducati Santa Barbara, 1 p.m. We're choosing the winner for this bike. So if you're local in the area, want to come hang out, watch us choose the winners live in person, you can see that. Otherwise, I'll film a video, put it up for you guys as soon as possible. But that's when, and I'll put another post up to remind you, but that's when the giveaway is going to happen right here, December 7th, Saturday, 1 p.m. Next big announcement is Friday, the day after Thanksgiving, the 2020 BMW S1000RR M package will be arriving right here at Santa Barbara Ducati. I think they're actually closed that day, so I'm just going to come down, pick it up, bring it home, and then next week I'll do the reveal video for YouTube and all that. Nobody knows. You guys are the only one who knows. And Manny and I already sat down and created a list of parts for that bike, and it's going to be insane. Full Six is getting us some of the first carbon parts ever built. Full carbon tank, full carbon subframe, world first. They're rolling it off the factory and giving them to us. It's going to be insane, guys. So I'm super excited for that. And I just want to say thank you guys for continuing to support these projects. I'm really excited for somebody to get this bike. We're also going to have cash prizes. Second, third, fourth, and fifth place are going to get cash. I think it's 400, 300, 200, 100. Is that what it was, teams? Mm-hmm. Yeah. So we're going to have cash prizes. It's not just a motorcycle. I'm trying to give back to you guys as much as I possibly can. Okay. After that, I'm going to take a big breath. Let's do a little walk around this bad boy. Actually, let's first talk about the cost of the build. So I picked up this bike, I think it was $16.99 plus tax, so right around $20,000 for the bike. That's what you're going to pay for it in Aprilia, Tuono 1100 factory. Parts list, retail cost of all the parts I put on this was $25,000. So right there, you're looking at $45,000. Paint was around $2,000, and then all of the work on the bike, the maintenance cost was right around $3,000. So you're looking at, when I say $50,000, that's where those numbers come from. That's the money that I spent to make this project happen. As far as how much this bike's actually worth, I mean, it's really just worth what somebody would pay for it. It's a custom bike. Someone might want to spend 30 grand on it, 40 grand, someone might offer you 15, who knows. But that's how much the build costs, okay? As far as where we got all the parts, 99% of the parts came from Manny at Moto Million. He's linked in all the videos. Right here is the tag. You guys know, if you're watching, if you're on here on Patreon, you know. And you can always use code Campisi to get any parts. If you don't see parts on his website, sometimes he doesn't have everything listed on there because he doesn't even have the Tuono on there. You just click on the RSV4. Or if you have questions, you can email him, you can call him, hit him up on Instagram, tell him you're a patron and you're looking for parts, and he'll hook you up as best as he can. Other parts that we got, seat covers from Louis Moto. It's a custom seat cover. Actually, I think this is their stock seat cover for the RSV4 and the Tuono. I thought it looked really good, so I didn't change it. But louismoto.com, you can pick up the seats for all your different motorcycles. They're really awesome. And then for the frame and swing arm covers, the carbon, we got that from Victor at Santa Monica Moto Club. So once again, if you're interested, just hit up Victor, tell him that you're a patron. Oh, same thing with the covers here. Tell him you're a patron of Campisi, and he'll help you out as much as you can. Actually, some other news coming with him shortly, so stay tuned for that. And then highlights of the build, how we were able to save 42 pounds off this build. Exhaust, full carbon titanium exhaust from Akrapovic. That's shaved, I think 12 or 13 pounds if I remember correctly. This is just, you know, going off the top of my head. The BST carbon wheels, they saved us like 20 pounds, something crazy. I mean, and then all kinds of little things. Well, the battery, the lithium-ion battery, which is under the seat, that saved us, I think, what was it, 6.5 or 7.5 pounds, something crazy. That's like the cheapest pound for pound weight savings you can buy, the lithium batteries. Highly recommend them. They actually can hold their charge for up to a year, so you actually don't have to hook it up to a tender as long as you ride it once a year. They even start faster too. And then rear sets, they saved us a couple of pounds. You know, then you get into little things like, you know, grips, levers, these Brembo master cylinder here, all the carbon fiber from Illenberger. This stuff is so cool and it's glossy. And actually, after seeing this gloss carbon, that's what made me decide to do the gloss carbon for the S1000, because it actually looks really, really good. It just like stands out. It's a little more premium looking than the matte. I still love satin, but I think gloss is gonna be really, really cool. The nickel plated Brembo calipers, $1,500 upgrade, along with the T-drive rotors and all the titanium bolts. We replaced all the bolts with titanium. They're gonna help save some weight. Again, all through Manny at Moto Million. Axle sliders and the brake cooling ducts, Manny at Moto Million. And then NRC, what are they called? Turn signals. Those are from Manny at Moto Million. And then there's just so much stuff to list. I'm just trying to come up with all this stuff off the top of my head. But can you think of anything, teens, that I'm forgetting? Oh, the chain and sprocket, that's huge. The 3D EK chain and sprocket, lightweight super sprockets. That saved a lot of weight. I want to say like 2 or 3 pounds, rotating mass, which is really important. And man, there's so much stuff. Of course, the whole custom paint scheme, that was done here in town by Alex, the painter. But yeah, this is a full custom paint scheme, not a sticker on the whole bike. You guys know if you've been watching this series. But yeah, I mean, it's a beautiful bike. I'm really happy with how it turned out. It's definitely one of the latest Tuonos in the world, and I think it's freaking awesome. So yeah, that's about it. That's gonna do it for this one. I want to make sure you guys knew of all of those updates. Again, December 7th here, Saturday at Ducati Santa Barbara, 1 p.m. We'll be choosing the winner. I'll make more posts about it as it gets closer. Friday, we're going to be picking up the S1000. Next week, we're going to be doing a reveal video for YouTube, and I'm super excited. As always, thank you guys so much for supporting these builds. I'm going to continue to give away dream motorcycles as long as you guys support it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.